At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a personal training business can be an exciting and rewarding venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Gain certification and education. Before you begin, ensure you have the necessary certifications and education to be a personal trainer. This typically involves completing a certification program through a reputable organization such as ACE, NASM, ACSM, or NSCA. 2. Define your niche. Determine what kind of personal training you want to specialize in. This could be general fitness, weight loss, strength training, sport-specific training, etc. Understanding your niche will help you target your marketing efforts and attract clients. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, services offered, pricing structure, and marketing strategies in a detailed business plan. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you stay focused. 4. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary permits or licenses required in your area. Consider forming a legal structure such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation to protect your personal assets. 5. Find a location. Decide whether you want to operate your business from a gym, fitness center, studio, or offer in-home training services. Consider the costs, convenience, and target market when choosing a location. 6. Purchase equipment. Invest in the necessary equipment based on the services you'll be providing. This could include weights, exercise machines, mats, resistance bands, etc. You may also need to invest in software for client management, scheduling, and billing. 7. Develop your brand. Create a compelling brand identity including a logo, website, and marketing materials that reflect your services and target audience. Make sure your branding is consistent across all platforms. 8. Market your business. Utilize various marketing channels to attract clients. This could include creating a website, leveraging social media platforms, networking with local businesses, offering promotions or discounts, and attending community events. 9. Offer exceptional service. Focus on providing high-quality training sessions and exceptional customer service to retain clients and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals. 10. Continued education and growth. Stay updated with the latest trends and developments in the fitness industry. Consider pursuing additional certifications or continuing education courses to expand your expertise and attract more clients. 11. Track your finances. Keep detailed records of your income and expenses for tax purposes. Consider hiring an accountant or using accounting software to manage your finances effectively. 12. Build client relationships. Develop strong relationships with your clients by understanding their goals, providing personalized training plans, and offering ongoing support and encouragement. Starting a personal training business requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for helping others achieve their fitness goals. With careful planning and execution, you can build a successful and fulfilling career as a personal trainer. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.